Whoa, 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 whoa. On a hill where the south wind blows, Vunisea watching the ocean roll. Two sides blue like God painted white. See on the left, see on the right. Morning bell and barefoot run. Sunrise shining on everyone. Government station, life so slow, but love was fast, it used to show. Namalata namuana call, voices echo through the hall. Sakadina kana bulako. In that place our young hearts go. Nomu Liga, Nomu Laga. We hold each other, seganidwa egalala. Vunisea, nokuvaledina. From the hill I still see ya. Bulavinaka, nanokuvanua. Kadavu breezes, ogotana ya loku. Obiana days and tutupai nights. What a lovely simple life. Tutupai shop, after school laugh. Sharing one coke, cut in half. Beyond our stories by the lights. Under stars so clear at night. Teachers strict but hearts were cold. Lesson more than books were told. Everyone watching, everyone's back. No one there was left off track. Station, slow time flow. Talanoa till the sunset glow. My kanamada, someone say that's how we lived every day. No muliga, no mulaga. Keito veito koni enaga unava. Vunisea on that hill line where the sea meets the sky. Namalata, namuana. We were one big Lega. Oh, my school on a numiko. 2 years but forever Tico. Sarui totoka na gauna makawa. Young hearts running segani dauleka. From the classroom to the shore. Those 2 years gave us more. If I close my eyes tonight, I see that hill in morning light. Vunisea calling me home. No matter where in the world I roam. No Liga, no Laga. Never broken, never saga. From Kadavu too far away.